And we are back. We are at the FRSA show in Kissimmee, Florida. We are on the coffee shop's live sound stage, sponsored by QXO. And I'm Heidi Ellsworth. It's been such a great show. And I just love being here with my very dear friend, Todd Farr, with General Coatings and EverRoof. Hello.
Hello, Heidi. How
I,
are you doing?
I am so happy. I love the glasses.
Great. Hey, sunny Florida, right?
Sunny Florida.
Right?
That's good. I need to get mine out. I'm telling you,
Yes,
it's so great.
absolutely.
And so, okay, let's start out with an introduction. If you could introduce yourself and tell us about both General Coatings and Everroof.
Sure, absolutely. Well, I'm the national sales manager for the EverRoof division, which is the roof restoration division of General Coatings. General Coatings has been around since around 2012, EverRoof since around 2013. General Coatings encompasses polyurethane spray foam and coatings, a lot of spec jobs, a lot of direct to contractor. EverRoof is our roof restoration division
Nice.
for distribution. So we're happy to serve both markets.
And roof restoration is hot.
Very hot, especially in Florida where it rains a lot. Rains pretty much every day around
Yeah,
3 o'clock. Set your clock to it. Our high solid silicone does excellent in this market.
yeah.
Moisture cured, seamless, monolithic, energy efficient, fire resistant. A lot of the contractors and distributors that have been coming in have been asking about our high solid silicone. We've
Nice.
got it and it's ready for Florida.
And it's ready to go. Um, there's been a lot going on in Florida around roof restoration with insurance companies and
Sure.
doing it. So, what are you hearing on that front?
Sure. Yeah, there's always an ongoing battle, with the insurance companies right now.
Yeah, yeah,
It's a very fluid environment, so we're keeping a close eye on it.
yeah.
A lot of our applications for flat roofs on shopping centers and hotels have not been affected, so that's
Oh,
great.
nice.
That's still an excellent choice for roof restoration. 10, 15, and 20 years is going to be your most economical solution to extend the life of the roof.
It really is, and it makes so much economic sense, especially, but it's so important, and this is what we hear over and over again, that the contractors working with the manufacturers understand that roof. Is it right for a restoration? Is it not?
You hit the nail on the head, Heidi. First step is to come out and see if that roof is even a candidate for a fluid applied restoration.
Yeah.
So check the moisture, walk. How old is the roof? How many roof surfaces does it have on it? And then decide if it's a candidate, and then get in touch with us, get in touch with your manufacturer's rep, and let them guide you through what the best system would be on that roof. We're
Yeah.
here to help.
It's so true. It's true. I think that partnership with the manufacturer is so important.
Yes, absolutely. We see roofs all across the nation, so we have that bandwidth and what's going on, and we usually know pretty quick, what the best application is
Yeah.
for that roof.
It's so good. So, how is the show going?
The show's going amazing. I got to tell you, Heidi, this year we're excited. I think this is the busiest that I've seen it here at FRSA. This is the last day, it goes till 3 o'clock. So if
Yeah.
you're out there, definitely come on down. We're Our booth is 1704 on the way to the food. So when you go get your snack, you'll run into our booth.
I love it.
And we are giving away some light up bouncy balls. I brought one for you and for
Oh,
Karen.
awesome.
So these are good for kids, grandkids, pets. That actually represents our General Coatings division. Our products were on a famous entertainment center in Las Vegas that has
Yes.
had some very famous bands in residency.
Yes,
So,
they
yes,
have. And we've been there. We
yes,
know what it is. A whole dome covered with spray foam.
it's
It's pretty cool.
it's fantastic. So we've got some bouncy balls for you if you come
Yeah,
on
thank
down.
you. Thank
Yeah,
you. Karen, we got a present.
yay.
um, so yeah, just so you know, we heard today record attendance over 5,200 yesterday.
Yeah, it's been unbelievable. I don't think we stopped talking to folks yesterday. It was
Yeah,
just one after the other, which is great. When you
right.
come to this show, you want an environment like that. It's very
Yep.
dynamic. Everyone's engaging. Everyone was very interested in fluid applied applications, specifically silicone, and it was just a great day.
That is so cool. Well, thank you for taking
Yeah,
time to come out
yeah,
here to our sound stage and spending time with us.
absolutely.
We always have fun.
Always,
I know.
always. Yeah,
We've been seeing each other a lot this year.
we have,
Washington
we
D.C.,
have.
San
Yes,
Antonio. Now here we are
yes.
in Kissimmee.
San Diego,
So San Diego.
all
Yeah,
over the place. Yes.
it's good. Well, keep it up. Thank
Yeah.
you so much.
Yeah.
And please check out the General Coatings and the EverRoof directories, both on Roofers Coffee Shop and Coatings Coffee Shop, for some of the best information you can get on roof restorations, spray foam applications, award-winning projects, and all kinds of good stuff. So
That's right. That's right. Thank you. And real quick, I was going
yeah,
to add, if you're out there, look up everroof.com, or you
yes,
can go to generalcoatings.net. You can see all of our systems.
yeah, it's all there. It's easy to find.
Yep.
Thank you so much.
Thanks, Heidi.
Thank you. We are back with more. Karen's going to be coming this direction real soon, so stay tuned.